Okay, now children, let's start with exercise 5. I'm starting with question number 2. Please do question number 1 yourself and we'll discuss it when we revise the chapter. Universal set x such that x belongs to z. Z stands for integers. Minus 3 less than equal to x less than equal to 3. A x such that x belongs to w, that stands for whole numbers, x less than equal to 3. Set B given as x such that x belongs to n, where n stands for natural numbers, 1 less than x less than equal to 3. Before we begin the question, we have to change set U, A and B in rooster form, as these are given in set builder form. So, all the elements starting from minus 3 to 3 are a part of universal set, that is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Set A now, all the whole numbers less than equal to 3, that is 0, 1, 2 and 3 are a part of set A. Natural numbers 1 less than x less than equal to 3. So now we have to choose the natural numbers between these, that is 2 and 3. First part, we have to find A complement. Now for A complement, compare your set A to the universal set and leaving the elements of set A, the remaining will be the part of the complement of A, that is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 you have to leave. Now B complement, compare set B to your universal set and leaving 2 and 3, the remaining elements will be a part of B complement, that is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1. Question number 3. They have given you set A with elements A, B, C, D. Set B with A, B, E. First part, you have to find A union B. That means all the elements of set A and B. Now take all the elements of set A and B without repeating the elements. A, B, C, D, E. Second part, A intersection B. Intersection means choosing the common elements. Now you can see I have underlined A and B is a part of set A as well as set B. So the common elements are A and B. A minus B means elements which are in set A but not in set B. So the remaining elements, that is C and D, which are in A but not in set B. A minus B. B minus A, elements which are in B but not in A, that is you can see yourself, which are in B but not in A, that is element E. Question number 4. Set A is equal to x such that x is a letter of the word Maharashtra. They have given you set B, y such that y is a letter in the word Madhya Pradesh. Now first part is you have to find elements of set A and set B, because set A and set B is given in set builder form. So now this is the word Maharashtra. We have to find the elements without repeating. That's M, A, H, A will not be taken as it's already taken, R, repeated, S, repeated, T, repeated R, repeated A. The elements which I have cut, these are already taken, so we know that we have to take each element once. So set A will have M, A, H, R, S, T. Now moving on to set B, Madhya Pradesh, starting with M, A, D, H, Y, repeated, P, R, repeated, D is repeated, E, S, repeated. So now the elements we have in set B are M, A, D, H, Y, P, R, E, S. Next part, we have to find A union B, that is all the elements of set A and set B. Now no need to follow any particular order. You can write all the elements randomly, M, A, H, R, S, T, and then the elements which are a part of your set B. So the result will be M, A, H, R, S, T, D, Y, P, E. Next part, A intersection B. Intersection again, it means the common elements in set A and B. Now I have already underlined the common elements. You can see M, A, H, R and S. M, A, H, R and S. A minus B means elements which are in set A but not in set B. There is a single element T. You can see it yourself, single element T which is in A but not in B. Now moving on to question 5. Set A has factors of 18. Set B has factors of 30. So let's change them to rooster form. The factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Factors of B are 30 are set B 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. First part, A union B, that is all the elements of A and B 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 15, 18, 30. Although I have taken them in order, but it hardly matters if you just choose the alphabets randomly. A intersection B, it means you have to take the common elements. That is, I have underlined 1, 2, 3 and 6. A minus B, elements of A which are not in set B. The remaining ones, that is 9 and 18. 9 and 18. B minus A, elements of B which are not in A, that is 5, 10, 15 and 30. 5, 10, 15 and 30. Moving on to question number 6. A has 3, 4, 5, 6. B has 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. C, X such that X belongs to natural numbers. 3 less than X less than 9. So you have to take all the natural numbers between 3 and 9. So C will have elements 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A minus B, elements which are in A, not in B, that is 3 and 5. B minus C, elements which are in B but not in C, that is 10, 12 and 14. Next part, they are asking you to find A minus B intersection C. So what we are going to do, we will write the elements of A, that is 3, 4, 5, 6 minus B intersection C. Intersection means common elements of B and C, that is 4, 6 and 8. Now this set minus this set means elements which are in first set but not in the second set, that is 3 and 5. Next part, B minus A union C. We'll write the elements of set B, that is 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14 minus A union C means all elements of A and C which are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now the first set minus the second set means elements which are in first set but not in the second set, which are 10, 12 and 14. Now let's start with question number 7. Set A 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B X such that X belongs to whole numbers. 4 less than X less than 9. So if we convert the set in rooster form, we'll have elements 5, 6, 7, 8. C, X such that X belongs to natural numbers. X is less than equal to 8. So all the natural numbers less than equal to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. First part, A union B union C. So A union B means all elements of A and B which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Union C. C means all elements of set C. Now this set union this set means you have to take all the elements of both the sets. So your answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Next part, A intersection B union C. Beginning with A intersection B, that means all the elements which are common in set A and set B. You can see it yourself, A has 1, 2, 3, 4 and B has 5, 6, 7, 8, which means there is no element common. So when there is no element common, there is an empty bracket for that, or it's a null set. Union C, all the elements of set C. Now empty set union this set means all the elements of both the sets. Answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Next part, A union B intersection C. So A union B means you have to take all elements of A and B which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Intersection C. Intersection C. These are the elements of set C. Now all the elements common, because intersection means common, all elements common in the two sets. The answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Fourth part is A intersection B union C, that is your second part, equal to A union B intersection C, that is your third part. Now you compare your answers yourself. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now are the answers same? Yes. These are equal. So the sets are same. Yes. Last question. Set A with elements 0, 1, 2, 3. Set B with elements 3, 4, 6. Set C with elements 0, 1, 3. You have to verify. First part, A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. So A, that's elements of A union B union C means all elements of B and C, which are 0, 1, 3, 4, 6. Now you have to find the union. That means all elements of these two sets. The result will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Now on the other side, A union B, all elements of A and B, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Union C means elements of set C. Now you have to find the union of these two sets. The result will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Now compare your answers. Are the answers same? Yes. The question is verified. Hence, verified. Next part, A intersection B intersection C. A, elements of set A, intersection. B intersection C means common in B and C, that is only 3. Now common in these two sets is, you can see it yourself, element 3. The result is 3. On the other side, A intersection B means common in A and B, which is 3. Intersection C, elements of set C. Now common in these two sets, you can see again, it's only element 3, 3. Are the two answers same? Yes, it's same. Hence, the question is verified. With this, we finish this chapter sets. We'll revise it in the next topic. Thank you.